Hello everyone, may the Lord bless you and may the Lord protecting you while you're watching this video. This is another day that the Lord has made, so we meet again, and thank you for all your support and thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Moniz, and in this channel I cook, I clean, and I do some house decor. But if you like what you see, put your thumbs up for me, and then subscribe and like and share. So this video today, it's a conch I'm cleaning right now. So it's a conch or Haitian way they say lambi. So this is what I'm cleaning because it was my husband's birthday, so I just want make him feel so special. So I cook. This is my second time that I cook this conch. So I mean this is the second time I know in my life I cook this conch. So yes, and I clean it, so don't judge me, I'm not good at it, but I cook it anyways, because when you know how to cook, you just can do anything. So yes, it's just a meat, right? So I clean it and I smash it. I make sure I smash it because I want it cook very faster, and then I cut it in little pieces. So then I'm going to wash it. So I clean it, wash it. This is lemon juice. I squeeze on it so I can rinse it out, and vinegar too. So yes, family, and I'm going to rinse it out. So now this put the seasoning on it. This is Slap Your Mama, and this is just like a cayenne pepper, and this is garlic powder I put on it, and clove powder. And if you watch all my videos before, so you already get used to all my seasoning I use in my meat. So now this is basil and garlic and green onion. I mash it in this pillow. So I'm gonna use it on my conch or Haitian, or they say lambi. So this is what I use. You make it when you make fresh épices, family, it make the food taste much better. So I didn't have no blend seasoning, so I use it that way too when I don't have no blending seasoning around. And as a family, as a busy mother, so it's best for me to have a blended épices ready to use, but I didn't have that. So this is what I use. This is a lemon juice. I squeeze on it. So I season in it, and I'm going to let it cook. I do this overnight. It was Saturday night when I do it, and then I'm gonna finish up on Sunday. So yeah, I'm gonna let it cook. When you let it cook overnight, it doesn't take that long to cook. And I use a little bit flour powder on it too, so to make it cook faster too, family. So, and I put a bouquet garni on it and let it cook. And then after I let it cook, family, just sit down and relax. Watch all the video all the way to the end, because there's so many different food in this video. So, and then after it's cooked, I use this pot and you put oil on it. I'm gonna let it take some color because I'm not gonna put tomato on it. So whatever seasoning, and that's what I have. I'm not gonna add nothing else on it. It's already have seasoning enough. So all I'm doing right now, just give the conch a little bit of colors. So because if it's plain on white, my husband not gonna like it. So I just have to make it the way he likes it. So yeah, this is what I do. And I cut some black pepper and onions, bell pepper. I cut some black bell pepper, put it at the end, but you maybe don't see it when I put it. But this is what I do. I put on it to finish it up after I put the water of this meat. And yes, I put the water of this meat. I don't put no more épices, nothing else, because you already have enough seasoning on it. I'm not gonna put no more. And that's it, family. This is what it is. It's right there in this bowl. I put some bell pepper and onions. So now this is a jerk chicken. My daughter want to make for his dad, because she want to make daddy so special. She want to cook the most special meat she knows that daddy love, because she's one of daddy daughter favorite, let me say that. So she just wanna make sure she do everything. So yes, make sure, family, you put your thumbs up for her, because she love when you like the video. That's give her more motivation to cook more. But if you don't like the video, so she's not gonna motivate to cook some more. So please encourage her to motivate to cook, because she's young, she's learning. So, and I'm not gonna stay with her forever. So right now, why she love to cook with me when I'm cooking, so I teach her to. So this is all the dry seasoning we use on this jerk chicken, except we use black soy sauce to make the chicken darker color, and we use jerk épices. Except using Haitian épices, we don't use Haitian épices. We use it's kind of Jamaican épices we use on it. So, and it is really tasty. We're gonna leave it overnight. It's Saturday night, and then the next day and Sunday we're gonna cook in the air fryer. She squeezed lemon on it, family. So that's what she's doing right now, and I'm going to cover it for her and let it stay. And next day it's going in the air fryer. You're not gonna see it, but hey, this is the jerk chicken right there, and the conch and the black rice we was putting in the table, and with salad, the beet salad, you see that before. And this is everything in the table, and I have some potato farci and plantain and pickles, and the cake. She makes special cake for daddy birthday too, and a salad and some wine. If you watch this table decor before, this is the table. I don't just set up my table and don't use it. Every table I set up, I use it, family. See, because it's my husband's birthday and I want to make him feel so special. This is everything we have in this table. We have other cake too. So now it's me serving my husband his favorite meal. I put some rice in the plate, and I'm gonna put some chicken, and I'm going to put the beet salad is not gonna eat it, so that's why I don't make it a lot. It's just my kid's gonna eat it. He doesn't like everything. So yes, family, my husband is not a person. He's just usually around the house. He's always busy doing something. And if you never see my other channel, say Moni's Ministry, please stop by my other channel so you can see. And if you have any prayer request, anything you need, any spiritual life you need a prayer, so you can request it on Moni's Ministry. Stop by my other channel, please, so you can praise and worship God with us, because that's what we do. We worship, we praise God, because if you're able to know us and see us around, it's just because of God's grace, family. And now this is my husband, and this is me. I am trying to make myself special too. I eat my salad, family. So even you see I eat a lot of heavy food. I don't really eat them. It's just for my kids and my family. But me, I mostly eat some vegetables and healthy food, family, because I have to watch what I eat. I have to watch my diet. I cannot eat heavy food. So yes, family, and this is my wine. I enjoy it, and all my kids, they are around the table too. You just not able to see them, but all of us, we're just sitting around and enjoy life, family, because life, it is just too short, family. And this is my salad. Let me know, family, what do you like in my table. At least you can like my salad, black rice and potato gratiné, so conch and jerk chicken and beet salad and black rice. All the video you don't see, I'm going to upload those videos separately, like the black rice and the the potato gratine, it will come to another video but separately, because I didn't want my video be too long, family. And this is the cake Joy make, so go ahead and watch this video to help her grow more so she can make some more video, family. Don't forget to like it and share it, and don't forget to say happy birthday to my king in the house, family. Bye. Jesus love.